So it's Pete Scuba FS, and I would like to analyze what I'm going to be looking at tomorrow for you guys. I was live on TikTok right now, and I got access denied by TikTok. I guess TikTok never wanted people to be going live and talking about anything that has to do with forest. So I remember the other day I was live trading, and they actually ended it and banned me for like 2 days. So today I came again, and we're on that live session, and I was just analyzing the market. They also actually banned me again. So I don't know. Maybe they don't want anything related to forest trading to be on live session. So I'm gonna be doing my live session henceforth on YouTube. So if you're not following me, do where to use the link on my bio here on TikTok to join my YouTube. And whenever I go live on YouTube, you get a notification. Also, I'm going to be looking at, I took this trade today. If you see my screen correctly, you can still see this was my last night analysis. I was expecting to actually get into the market, and this was my point of TP, but I've already exited this trade. I closed in profit today on this trade. I actually took a position here the day before yesterday, and when it got here, I exited it yesterday. I could not hit my full TP, so I analyzed the market again, and I knew that price may give me some discount, and that's what happened today. And I took this trade, and I make some profits off it, and I'm super excited. So the overall direction is bullish, and this is where I'm expecting price to get to. So I'm still going to be looking at buy from this particular pair. All right, so this is what I'm going to be looking at, guys. We have these, but let me take this off first. So first you need to analyze. Let's have our fib on today's high and low, so we can see what price is doing. All right, okay, this is our low for the day. So this is the 50%, guys, 50%. And with the way price close, we expect price to give us some pullback. All right, and pull anything below 50% is okay to look for a buy opportunity again. So something to this level, and if we can see a shift in structure on the 15 minutes time frame, all right, we can now go in and take our trade. All right, so first let's mark our 50% here, so I can remove the fib. Okay, and now notice this is our today's low. All right, and this is today's high, and this is our 50%. So anything below the 50%, we have our breaker block around here. So I'm expecting price to actually pull in to take out this liquidity. Yeah, this liquidity. If we go to the 15 minutes time frame, it's going to be more obvious. I may switch to there, so you can see why I expect price to come to that level. So having this play out, maybe on the 15 minutes time frame, which will a little bit shift of structure, it's going to help me make my decision in taking this trade. All right, so, and here we go. Remember, the target is this high here. This is where I'm expecting price to actually get to. So you can see it's still giving me that 1 to 2, 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, which I think is still a beautiful trade. So this is what I'm looking at for USD CHF. All right, this is what I'm actually looking at for tomorrow. That's what I'm actually looking at for. All right, so similar scenario, expect price to pull back, give us a change of character on 15 minutes time frame, then we'll log. All right, now if I go to 15 minutes time frame, you're going to understand what I actually mean by giving us a change of character. What is wrong with my network? So notice today you see this, we have price come all the way and we have a shifting structure, pull back to sweep liquidity and break it, and we see that expansion. So this W formation is what I actually describe here. So that's what I'm expecting on the 15 minutes time frame to happen. Seeing price pull all the way below our 50%, taking out this low, using it as liquidity, all right, bouncing to this breaker block, which is more like a fair value gap, you can see here, which is very clear, obvious. And around this place, give a formation like this, more like a W pattern. So once I see this happen, I'm going to take my trade and make sure my stop loss is just a little bit close to this low of today, all right, and which is around 20 something pip stop loss, and my overall target for profit is right here, giving us 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. So that is my expectation on USD CHF. Now for GBP CHF, notice, all right, guys, what happened here is what happened here. Notice we have a shift in structure here. Price broke and we were bullish on this pair. See, we have this shift in structure, all right. This was the low that created that high. Price came and took it out and gave us a new low, which serve as shift in structure, all right. Now notice the next day, price traded all the way up, close around somewhere here. Now notice what happened the following day. Price came, go back and use this previous day high as liquidity, all right. Use it as liquidity, take it out, and we have a shift of structure. Notice a shift of structure. Then we have this pullback and price traded all the way down, now giving us another shift of structure, all right. Now notice what happened today. What happened today is almost something that happened this particular day here. If you notice, similar scenario, price traded all the way and closed around somewhere here. So I'm expecting price to use this high as this form of liquidity that happened here, all right. Trading and taking out this high, giving us a shift in structure, and if I see that happen, that is when I'm going to take this trade and target this low for take profit. So this is on GBP CHF, all right. And let's look at Euro USD. I think that will be the last pair I'll be looking at for tonight. I don't want the video to be too long. Now on Euro USD, I've been on profits back to back for the last 2 to 3 days. This was it. Remember, same pattern. We have a shift of structure. Price was very bullish, but price gave us a shift, all right. And this particular day, notice what happened. Price traded up and give us this high close here. Now the following day, price go use that high for a sweep of liquidity, and we traded all the way to this level. But notice once we failed to break this low. So what price did is the next day price traded up, used that previous day high as liquidity as well, then we now broke structure, all right. So when I saw this happen, I know that once we have opportunity to take out this high, I'm going to be selling, which I did, and I posted those trades and I make good profit, 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. Then I know that we are on for a drive to the downside. So what happened the next day, I saw a good opportunity to enter the trade again, all right, and I hit a profit. And today this is what happened, all right. I took this trade here again, but not able to hit my take profit. So I'm still expecting price to get to this level. I'm still holding this trade, all right, but I know if price pull back to this level, taking at this low, this liquidity level here, right, which is like 50% pullback, and I see a change of character, I will add another position to target this same level for 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. So I'm holding one position and I'm expecting to lock in another position by tomorrow. So I'm still bearish on Euro USD. I'm still looking for a sell opportunity, but I want price to give me something pull back above 50% on the fib, because this is the high and the low of today. So this is the 50%. I want price to pull a little bit above, and when I see a shift in structure around somewhere at this level, I'm going to be getting in on a sell trade, all right. So that is what I'm actually expecting, somewhere here, which is the 50% level. I want to see price give me something around that level, and I'll be glad if I see a change of character on the 15 minutes time frame, just as it happened here today, All right, I will take my sell trade. So that is it, guys. Follow me for more content like this, and join me on my YouTube. Click on the link and follow me on YouTube, because I'm going to be doing my live trading section and market analysis on YouTube, because TikTok is no longer letting us to do all these activities. So see you guys, and have a wonderful time. If you like my content, share, like, and follow for more.